Hello, welcome back to P Academy. So in this video, I want us to look at question 2C. I hope you can see it. Is it okay? That's question 2B. It says construct a regular hexagon giving the distance across corners to be 60 mm. So let me quickly explain this now. When they say the distance across corner, what it means is that if you have your hexagon, don't forget an hexagon has 6 sides. Something like this. This is like a rough sketch. So when they say across corner, that means the distance from here to here exactly should be 60 mm based on the dimension we have been given. Now it is different from you drawing a hexagon, a regular hexagon with the sides to be 60 mm. Maybe the length from here to here, from here to here. You understand? So it's a different scenario. Maybe all the sides should be of 6 centimeter. So it's different. So what we are looking at is the distance across the corners. So that means from this point here to the other opposite point, from this point to the opposite point should be 60 mm. So now for us to do that, what we are basically going to do is we are going to draw a circle with a diameter of that 60 mm, depending on the length you have been given. But let's say you have been given 60 mm. So you are going to draw a circle with a diameter of 60 mm. So once the diameter is 60 mm, that means the radius is going to be 30 mm. So let me just measure 30 mm. 30 mm is the same as 3 centimeter. So with that, you draw your circle. So like I said, it should be with faint lines, but I'll make it bold so that you can see it properly. All right, so now that we have our circle, don't forget you still retain the length of your compass. So just draw your diameter line. So just make sure it's a faint line also. Only the hexagon that should be made bold. All right, so we already have our diameter. So where the diameter is touching the circles, let's call this point A and let me call this point B. So if you should measure it to, it should be giving you the 6 centimeter, which is the distance across corners. All right, so with the same 3 centimeter, just come to point B. You draw an arc at the upper part of the semicircle. We already have the same, and the lower part just like this. With the same length, you come to point A. You are going to draw an arc on the circumference of the circle, as you can see. So the next thing is to just join these points together like this, and then you have your hexagon. So make sure you take out time to practice this and make sure your work is neat. All right. So the hexagon itself should now make it bold. Exactly. So you can see this is what you have to do in that's question 2B, judging from the past question. So this is how you go ahead to draw an hexagon when given the distance across corner. So thank you very much. I hope you find value in it. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please click on that subscribe button to subscribe, and I'll see you all in another video. Thank you, and best of luck in your exams.